Osta igesa.
Dous ugo jaluk tene.
Alstaiti chikiyala inage ehi. Ale chikadawo esa. Ale ane jodi jide gane lona.
Niga jaluk tene.
Wagi lukti awaduli nowu.
Classy, nika galge yana.
Aya yigu tegi.
Dija la sulo tisquan gold. Dija nails dot. Kan de hindoga tinagala ale hagasquoja.
No less sinale jawaga skoa. Isquada. Galieliga jidenda gohwata.
I squoo nail.
Sinale. Osiyo. Today we learned Cherokee words about picking up after ourselves and getting ready for bed. Let's go over them together. We are going to start by practicing the command, pick up your shoes. Dijala sulo tisquangod. Di ja la su lo ti s qua ni go da. Dijala sulo tisquangod. Pick up your shoes. Now let's practice the command, I'm done. G squada. G squada. G squada, I'm done. The final word we are going to review today is, today was a good day. Ost ig gesa. O s da I ga ge sa. Ost ig gesa. Today was a good day. Osta. Don't forget to practice these words and use them with your family and friends.